Nothing of value in life comes easily. Success is never a coincidence. Research indicates that the ability to be gritty, to stick with the things that are important to you and bounce back from failure, is an essential component of success. You can have all the talent in the world, but you will never achieve your goal without effort. This is why grit is the foundation of success. The good news is that you can develop and master grit over time. So, how do you develop grit? You need first to adopt a growth mindset. Unfortunately, many people have a fixed mindset. Carol Dweck, professor of psychology at Stanford, wrote a book called Mindset, The New Psychology of Success. Dr. Dweck makes an important distinction between two mindsets, fixed mindset and growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset think that successful people are born with everything they need already to succeed easily. Also, they think that you need to be perfect every time to succeed. This is a great way to put a lot of pressure on yourself for nothing. Whereas people with a growth mindset will take a challenge to learn from it, and they will prepare for it. Having a growth mindset can be helpful. What you can do is shift your focus on the process of becoming successful instead of the end result. A growth mindset person does not think that success is being the best. They believe success is doing their best. The first thing you should do is to push yourself out of your comfort zone and towards new experiences and way of living. You can modify your habits, such as wake up a bit earlier each morning to practice a new habit, such as going for a run or meditate. Another thing you can do is use obstacles to grow. It is common to find excuses for not doing something. For instance, have you ever thought, oh no, I cannot finish this work because I was invited to that party and I could not refuse, so I had to go. All the time you try to justify why you did not do something, blaming events around you for not achieving your short or long goal, and just rationalizing that your only option was your SQ decision and action. Now, how about to use those obstacles to give you some purpose and motivation? It will be more beneficial for you. In his book, Discipline Equals Freedom Field Manual, retired US Navy SEAL Jocko Willink has a poor tip for you to deal with obstacles. What it says is to see obstacles in a positive way instead of being afraid of them. This provides you with a switch in mindset which helps you to solve your problem easier because you approach the problem in a different angle and more confident. If you fail, it's okay. Learn from it and get ready and organize yourself better for next time. If you have difficulties in multitasking, it's okay too. You can learn to prioritize what is or not important and focus on the most important. After, ride with turbulence. In life, it happens to come across unexpected situation. It is often that our week or even our day take a turn that no one will expect. When you are on a project and you think you have a week to finish, when all of a sudden it changes, and you have only a couple of days to finish everything. Or when you are right on time to go to work and you cannot find your key on the last minute. Whatever situation you might find yourself in, don't let your emotion take over. In this case, it is much better to go with the flow even if it feels like a roller coaster. What you need to do is to be aware of the thought you have when you react to an unexpected event. Are your thoughts more like, oh no, I don't know what to do in this situation, I will definitely fail? Or can you understand that it is only a temporary situation and that all will be okay at the end? And ask yourself, wow, what can I do to make it right? What can I do to sort out my issue? Those questions will help you to approach the problem you are facing with a more confident mindset and probably solve your problem. Also, be self-disciplined. Some people feel uncomfortable with the word self-discipline. There is some kind of negative meaning for them, whereas it is about to focus your energy on the outcome that you want. It can be to increase your public speaking skills, improve your physical strength, or keep yourself on a track with new habits that make you feel proud of yourself. What's self-discipline? It is a delaying gratification. In another word, to prioritize what is essential, what requires urgent focus before anything enjoyable. Doing this has a long-term benefit. Delaying gratification can increase your chance at succeeding in any area in your life, your education, career, short and long-term goal, even in your personal life choices. Besides, it is not as hard as it sounds. Start to think about what pleasure you like. For example, when you see a delicious cake in the kitchen, instead of take a piece of cake to eat it right away, maybe think about the task you were about to do before coming across this cake, and decide to eat that piece of cake only when you finish the work you need to achieve. What you need is to take your attention away from the distraction and focus on your priorities. When you do all of that, don't stop there. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Grit is not a one-off action. It is important to keep up the effort until it becomes more natural. It is possible to do an effort only one time to come back to the bad habits. Instead, keep the momentum. Remember and remind yourself how confident you felt when you overcome that initial obstacle. That's why it is critical to keep it at it, to hold yourself accountable for every step of the way. Keep track of your goals in a notebook. If you often find yourself procrastinating or get distracted by any social media that prevents you from achieving something important, then your notebook will make it impossible to use this external factor as an excuse, as you will have a visual to track your progress by checking off every single item of the day, the week, and month. Besides, it will help you to see when you waste your time and remove it if it is not necessary in your life. Staying on trail is about doing something valuable with your life and making your time feel valuable too. Do this and you will be happy for doing so later. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like video about personal development. If you feel difficulties to grow your mindset, check the link in the description to get an amazing mindset setting that will help you to grow your mindset. Also, you can choose a free gift. Thank you very much for watching.